Hello friends, welcome back to the new video in the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the basic React Native components, that is React Native View. So view is like a container view, example linear layout, relative layout, etc. for the mobile developers, and for the web is basically like a div. Okay, so whenever we have a container, we have to wrap all the things in a one. That's why we are using the view. So to import, there is from the React Native we have to use this import view, and in the view section you need to render by using view, and you need to put all the things over here. So whether it is p tag, whether it is a text, or whether it is anything, so you need to wrap in the view one. Okay, so you can see that we have a basic example for this one. Okay, so let's implement this. Okay, so let me open the project. So here we go with the React Native. Open terminal. So I'm going to install the build first. So it's installing. So let's replace it with our app.js file. So we need to add this code in our app.js. So where it is, app.js. So here we go with this one. We need to comment this one. Let's comment and add our code. Save this, cancel, and we will run this command over here, reset cache in the new window. Let's see. The build is run. Let's connect with the AnyDesk now. You can see that here the build is formed, and we will see that. Okay, so let me connect with the AnyDesk and see that what exactly we have. Okay, so let's connect the AnyDesk. Where is the AnyDesk? This is coming. So you can see that all the best. This is the view part, right? Whatever we have added over here, you can see that app.js safe area view text we have added. Then this is another text, this is another text. So we haven't added any kind of styling over here. So there's a default if you have the view part. Okay, so view is basically a div that we have wrapped all the data in a one container. Okay, so I hope you will understand what exactly the React Native view. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a great day.